y'all. Welcome to Philip Miller. I'm Philip, and this is my blog. Well, today I'm going to share with you something really special. I had this idea, and it's a prototype. It looks like a normal box, right? Well, I promise you it's not. It looks like a Lego brick. Isn't that really cool? It actually has a drawer right here. And I made this just to see if I could do it. See, I love Legos. I also love woodworking, and I wanted to mix the two. I did a 2x3 brick. I did it mainly because I like the size and the scale. This is actually gonna be a nightstand. I've just built the top part. I don't know yet how I'm gonna figure out the base or the supports yet, so if you have any ideas, please post them in the comments below. Also, I need your help with figuring out what color to make this. I don't know. Do we do red, yellow, pink, purple, brown, white, black? I don't know. But you put your comments down below, and you know what? I might choose whatever gets the most votes, or however people say, I like red, give me red. I'll paint it red. And I'll post that on my Instagram, and I'll put that link in the description below so you can see and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. But this is it. I made a little top. And the reason why I made a top is, if you know, Legos have a plate usually that they can put on top, and this is to represent that. So it sits right on top, just like that, you can see. And that way you can put things on this nightstand. It's useful, it's functional, but also it has the fun play of the creativity and the childlikeness that I have in my life. I'm just one big kid playing around anyway. And it has a drawer, and on the bottom here I put a little notch. You can see this right there, right there. There's the notch, and that's how you open it. I did a 45-degree bevel. Let the camera focus here, right here. And that's how it sits in really nice and flush. And yeah, so that's it. I'm really curious what you guys think. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. And once again, don't forget, tell me what color I should paint this. Post that in the comments below. All right, well, I'll see you next time.